Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohan. I'm a rising junior at Doherty Valley High School. For my main project, I created a hand gesture controlled RC car. The project itself has two major components. The first of these being the glove right here, which has flex sensors in each of the fingers, and as I press the flex sensors, it acts as the input to the output over here, which is my RC car itself. I know, it's a lot of wires. So, and within, more specifically, the RC car has 4 motors within, and that's the aspects I trigger with my flex sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and give a quick demo over here. So as I close my finger, it moves forward. I can do one wheel and do switch from side to side. I can also control the claw, which opens and closes, like so. So that's also part of the glove speakers. So as I completed this project, I learned a lot of life lessons along with technical skills. At the heart of this project, there are 2 XB wireless modules. One is right here, and the other one is on my wristband right here. These wireless modules are connected to Arduino microcomputers. And so the combination of these 2 really important chips allows me to have both a wireless system along with having the microcomputer present in the Arduino, having a lot of the computation along with the correct signals being sent done. A major thing I learned with these 2 chips was the use of both the Arduino IDE software from the Arduino and the XCTU software from the XB wireless modules. Another major component here in my robot is the 4 motors. 2 of them are the 6-volt DC motors here in the back connected to my wheels. The other 2 are servo motors connected to my claw right here. They're actually really different motors in terms of the methods that they turn. The servo motors have a lot of restrictions in the amount of degrees, whereas the 6-volt DC motors can continuously turn for a longer period of time. As I completed this project, I ran into a lot of challenges, but I was fortunate enough to get through them. The major one being the XB shields from here to here. It was actually really difficult trying to get them to pair due to the fact that a lot of times the wireless signal would be disrupted in the middle or wouldn't go through at all, or sometimes would send the wrong information that could not be translated to the motors. However, eventually, with a lot of smaller test cases and sample runs, I was able to get that to work. And another thing I really focused on was I kept my breadboard in my final project just in case anything happened to go wrong. I could quickly fix it up and get it back working. The last thing is the amount of ways I tried to mount it so that at the end my project is really versatile and can be added and taken off really quickly. Overall, my time at BlueStamp has been one that's very enjoyable. I was able to work with a lot of instructors that have been both influential and inspirational in teaching me the future of engineering, both at the college level and with the guest speakers in the industry level. So I have to take this experience into the next level. Thank you. Kevin.
There are a lot of parts on this project. How much super glue did you have to
He's the one who got his fingers. He's really tall.
The first time around I experimented with super glue. It wasn't the best, so I decided, as you can see, there's duct tape. So that's my new best friend. So not much super glue in the final product.
Does your radio link work 2 ways so that you could put sensors on the car and have those go to the...
Oh, so at least in my initial product right here, most of the program is set to run from the input here to the output on my robot here. There's not much sensors on my final product, so that could be like a possible way to, revolutionize it. Anyone else?
Is there any difference in terms of signal whether you use duct tape or super glue?
Oh, okay. So super glue, I was more focusing on like the plastic component. Something broke, so I was trying to fix it back up. But in terms of duct tape, the reason I use this opposed to any other adhesive was that it's really bendable. So as I blend the flex sensors, it will move along with my finger, instead of getting it lost over time or not, functioning properly. Thank you.